Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I will show you how to set up direct deposit on the ADP Mobile app using an iPhone. Let's get started. First, unlock your phone and open the ADP Mobile app and make sure you are logged into your account. Once you are in, tap on Pay. Then select direct deposit or payment settings. From here, you can add account, enter your bank details, bank name, routing number, account number, or choose checking or savings. Double check everything to make sure it's correct. Next, choose how much of your paycheck goes into this account. You can select 100% or split your pay if allowed. Tap save or confirm. Review your information one last time. Tap submit or confirm. You will see a message saying your direct deposit is set up. And that's it. You have successfully set up direct deposit on ADP Mobile using an iPhone. That's all for today's video, guys. I hope you guys like this video. If you found this video helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more videos. Thanks for watching. See you in the next one.